Picture this, a morning where you wake up to a breakfast that's not only scrumptious, but also super healthy and easy to make. Today, we're diving into the world of quick and easy breakfast recipes, specifically designed to kickstart your day on a high note. We're talking about nourishing your body and taste buds with 3 delightful dishes that will transform your mornings. Now imagine no more, because we're about to turn this dream into a reality. First on our menu is the ever-popular overnight oats, a delightful combination of nutrition and convenience. This recipe is as simple as it gets, allowing you to wake up to a ready-made, fiber-filled breakfast that's as delicious as it is healthy. To start, you'll need a few basic ingredients. Rolled oats are the star of the show here. They're high in fiber and packed with essential nutrients. You'll also need some milk, any type will do, but almond or oat milk can add a lovely nutty flavor. Next up, yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great choice for that extra protein punch. And finally, you'll need your toppings. This is where you can really get creative. Fresh fruits like berries or bananas, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, a drizzle of honey or a spoonful of chia seeds. The possibilities are endless. Now let's get to the fun part, the assembly. In a jar, start by adding your oats, followed by the milk and yogurt. Give it a good mix to ensure the oats are well coated. Next, layer in your favorite toppings. Seal the jar and pop it into the fridge. The magic happens overnight as the oats soak up all the flavors. When morning comes, top it with a bit more fruit or nuts if you like, and your breakfast is ready to go. No cooking, no fuss. Just a wholesome, delicious start to your day. And there you have it, your delicious, nutrient-packed breakfast ready to be devoured first thing in the morning. Scene script. Up next, we have the avocado toast, a trendy yet healthy breakfast option. This simple yet delightful breakfast starts with a handful of ingredients. You'll need a slice of whole grain bread, a ripe avocado, and a squeeze of lemon juice. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, consider adding cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, or even a hard-boiled egg. Start by toasting your bread. While it's getting that perfect golden brown crisp, let's prepare the star of the show, the avocado. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Scoop out the flesh into a bowl and mash it until it's creamy but still has some chunky texture. Add a squeeze of lemon juice to keep it fresh and vibrant. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. By this time, your toast should be ready. Spread the mashed avocado generously over your toasted bread. Here's where you can get creative. Top your avocado toast with sliced cherry tomatoes for a juicy burst of flavor. Sprinkle some feta cheese for a tangy kick, or add slices of hard-boiled egg for an extra dose of protein. Remember, the beauty of avocado toast lies in its simplicity and versatility. Feel free to experiment with your favorite toppings and make it your own. And voila, your delicious, heart-healthy avocado toast is ready to serve. Last but not least, we present to you the green smoothie, a refreshing and nutritious way to start your day. This vibrant drink is as delicious as it is beneficial, packed with vitamins and minerals to fuel your body. To whip up this invigorating concoction, you'll need a handful of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, a cup of almond milk, and a drizzle of honey to add a touch of natural sweetness. If you're feeling adventurous, you might also consider throwing in extras like chia seeds, or a spoonful of protein powder for an extra boost. Now let's get down to blending. Start by adding the spinach to your blender. Spinach is a great source of iron and fiber, and it's the ingredient that gives our smoothie its brilliant green hue. Next, toss in the banana. This will give your smoothie a creamy texture, not to mention a good dose of potassium. Pour in the almond milk, a dairy-free alternative that's rich in vitamin E. If you prefer a different kind of milk, feel free to substitute. Lastly, drizzle in your honey, or any other sweetener you prefer. Blend these ingredients together until you achieve a smooth, velvety consistency. You're looking for a texture that's easy to sip, but still thick enough to feel filling. And just like that, your energizing green smoothie is ready to enjoy. A beautiful blend of health and taste, this smoothie is the perfect way to kickstart a day filled with vitality and vigor. And there we have it, 3 quick and easy breakfast recipes to keep you fueled and satisfied. Overnight oats, avocado toast, and a green smoothie, all packed with nutrition and ready in minutes. Remember, a healthy breakfast is a great way to start your day. So try these recipes and enjoy a delicious, nutritious morning. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy.